Okay, so we're gonna work on subtraction because I feel like we're getting more established in addition, and I want to move into subtraction. And subtraction with the abacus is a little bit, you have different movements with the beads, right? Because it's subtraction, we're actually moving the beads backwards. The movements are backwards. And that can be kind of tricky when we think about it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think what we should do is let's count to 20. And I think we did this a couple of times a few months ago. Let's count to 20 using our abacus and then go backwards so we can practice those movements. Does that sound good? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, we're counting to 20, so what do we do next?
12, 13, 14.
You forgot to clear the 5, so let's try that again. Let's count to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13,
Okay,
14.
you absolutely have to clear that 10 or the 5. So let's do this together real quick, okay? Okay, so we're gonna count 1, 2,
3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
and then 10,
10.
and then we clear the entire column of ones. Can you move your abacus a little bit to the, thank you, and down, closer to you. A little bit closer to you. Thank you, buddy. All right, did you clear the ones column? Great, now we have 10. What's next?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Later on points out in favor. Rest of these was not closed. Rest of these was at top authority.
15.
15. We're trying to get to 20. What do we do next? 15.
16.
Where's 16? Nope, that's 20. You have 25 showing. Put that 20 back. How do we get to 16? You got to clear the bottom 4.
Bottom 4.
Yep. Now we have 15. Where's 16?
17, 18, 19, 20.
What do you have to do when you move that 20 bead? Good. Good, good, good. Boy, that was tougher than I thought it would be. Okay.
Miss Anderson?
Yeah.
Sorry, looking forward to meet that Braille note lady.
I am too. She seems really nice. Her name is Rachel.
But tomorrow we'll be getting on with my computer that I'm using with you.
Yes.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow,
yes.
I will be with you.
Yes.
Yes. We'll use this computer tomorrow. I think that's all he's asking.
Oh, okay.
When we get on with her, we're going to use this computer. No problem.
Yeah, I think she's going to show us how to use the Braille note.
Neat. Okay.
Yeah.
I think Kai was just wondering if we were going to use this computer, and I'm saying yes, we're going to use this computer.
Okay. Yeah. I think that's what we're doing. All right, Kai, so we're going to go backwards. We're going to count from 20 back to 0 because those are the movements we use for subtraction. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I am going to count with you to start, okay? So we've got 20. So here we go. What's after, what if we're counting backwards, what's after 20?
19.
19. Okay, so we got 20 showing. How do we get to 19? What's our first step? We have 20. We're gonna put one of the 10 beads down, right?
Mm-hmm.
When we put that 10, oh, not both of them. Okay, so we're very distracted today. So I want you to keep that extra hand, your left hand, down. Thank you. And we need to leave our veins alone. So pull your abacus closer to you. Thank you. And we're going to move one of the beads back down. The 10 bead needs to go back down. Ready? So 19. What do we put the 10 bead down? What do we need to do? Instead of clearing the ones column, we bring it back. Bring back the ones column, okay? So what do you have
19.
now? What do you have?
19.
19. So clear your abacus. Okay, set your abacus to 20. Okay, and we're going to practice that movement again. Okay, we're going to do 19. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So 20, 19. What do you have to do to make 19? You're subtracting 1, right? Subtract 1 from 20. Instead of clearing the ones, you're bringing them back. Do you have 19?
Uh, 14.
There
Now I have
you go.
19.
Now you have 19. Okay. So clear your abacus.
The whole abacus?
Yep, clear the whole abacus.
Why do I have to clear the whole abacus?
Okay, now you're going to set it to 20. And I want you to show me what 20 minus 1.
Ten.
Is 20 minus 1 10?
No.
No.
I mean, minus 1 is 10, 19.
Okay, so if we remove a 1, show me the bead movements for 20 minus 1. What do we do?
Uh, 19.
Okay, show me what that looks like, Kai. How do you do that?
Uh, mm, uh,
You got to take a 10 bead and put it down and bring back the ones. That's how you subtract 1, right? So what do you have right now?
19.
19. Okay, so we're going to subtract another one. 19 minus 1. Subtract 1 from 19. Good job. What do you have now?
18.
Good. We're going to do 18 minus 1.
18
Mm-hmm.
minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
17.
Okay. 17 minus 1.
16.
Okay, so we're just counting backwards, right? We have 16. Let's count to 15. Kai, please leave your veins alone. 16. 15.
15.
14. Do you have 14? You needed to put that 5 back first. 14. Now we're going to do 13. 12.
12, 11, 10.
Okay, we have 10. Great. Now we're going to continue counting backwards. We have 10. Now we need 9.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Okay, so set your abacus to 10. And I want you to count backwards.
10,
Mm-hmm.
10, 19. Right? 10, then 19.
Oh, well, if we're counting backwards from 10, do we ever touch 19? Is 19
No.
more or less than 10?
More.
It's more, right? So if we're counting backwards, let's just put our hands in our lap and count backwards from 10. Ready? 10,
10, 9,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did we ever get to 19? No. We got to
No.
19. We were kind of getting stuck on 19 when we were counting backwards from 20. So I had decided that we would just work on counting backwards from 10. Okay? So now we're just going to count backwards from 10. So show me the bead movements if we're counting backwards from 10. So set your abacus to 10. Okay? And then show me with the beads, with your abacus, exactly what you just said. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10.
9.
Oh, okay, so that wasn't the bead movements for subtraction. What you did was you just added 9, and then you ended up with 19. Okay, so we got 10. First thing we do is subtract that 10. Subtract the 10. Good. Bring back all the ones. Now we've got 9. And then, what do?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Yep, for you
3,
to
2,
have 4,
1.
you have to put the 4 up. Good. Good. So once you do the 10 and you bring back the 9, you're good to go, right? So let's try that again. Let's start with 10. And what do we do when we're going backwards? 10, put the 10 back, put the 10 back, bring back the 9. 9.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was perfect. Let's try it one more time, okay? Do 10.
10, 10,
Okay, so we got 10.
9, 8, 7, 6,